So the first one is the Orbot, which is a Tor for Android. You can search it on the Google Play Store. Orbot is developed by the Tor project. The Tor project are the organization which firstly developed the Tor. Now let's open it. So you can see here the start button. On pressing it, you can start Tor on your device. So let's press start. Now here Orbot is starting. So these here on the right side of the screen you can see the log, what it is doing on your device. Now here is also a VPN mode, and if you have trouble connecting to the Tor, you can also use bridge connections. So let's stop this and go through its settings. So you can see here start Orbot on boot, which automatically start Orbot and connect Tor when your Android device boots. Now node configuration, where you can configure fingerprints and nodes. Bridge connection, if you have trouble connecting to the Tor network. Relay ports, reachable address, connectivity, which IPv4 or IPv6 connections, what you prefer. Connection pairing, outbound network proxy, which is a optional setting. And here you can also debug Tor socks and Tor HTTP with some custom ports, Tor DNS port, Tor custom config. So this was the Orbot. Going to the next. Next one is the FING, which is a network scanning tool on your Android device. So let's open it. You can see here I am not connected to any Wi-Fi network, so it is not showing any network. So let's go to the network tab and see what option it have. It have the option of you can test your internet speed here. You can also ping some domain, and you can also find open ports on any IP or domain. Here you also have the option of trace route and IP or domain, which are the most important options in the network scanning. You can also have the option of make on LAN. Now going through its settings, you can see here app settings and device recognition, reverse DNS lookup. You also have option of reverse DNS lookup. You can set it off or set it on. Night mode, mask MAC address. You can also mask your MAC addresses. And so it is the FING network tools, which is a network scanning tool on your device, Android device. So let's go into the third one. Next one is encrypt decrypt tools, which you can use to encrypt or decrypt messages. So let's open it, and you can see here there are some modes of conversion. So you can encrypt your messages in base forms. Conversion, you can convert with binary, hexadecimal, decimal and octal. And you can also de-encrypt your message, encrypt or decrypt your message with cipher. You can have the ATBAS, Caesar, ROT13, Visionaire, Affine, Railfence, Skytel, and Beaufort and Baconian are in the pro version of this app. Okay, let's go to the next, and it is the Morse, which have the, you can see here, let's encrypt hello, and you can see here it has converted it into the Morse. So it has also the symmetric ASCCB and DSCCB, and you can here enter the 16, 24 or 32 length key, and you can then encrypt or decrypt it. So it is used to both encrypt and decrypting the message. You can see here, let's go to base and let's encrypt some messages. Let's encrypt hello, encrypt into paste 32, and then let's copy it and let's decrypt it. So paste it, and now on decrypting, you can see here hello. So it is the tool which you can use to both encrypt or decrypt messages or keys. You can have the base, conversion, cipher modes and symmetric modes here. Let's go to the next one. Next one is the Drivedroid app, which is used to boot your PC basically an emulator for terminal emulator for Android. I'm not going to show you how to use this because I have previously made video on this. See that. Going to the next one. Next one is the most important tool for implementation tester. It is the Kali Linux Git Hunter, which is basically an Android version of the Kali Linux. Where we use with the which have implementation testing tools already installed in it, and it's also very handy when you are a implementation tester. Automated implementation Kali Linux for their works. You can download Kali Linux on your so let's open it. Click on get started and see, you can see here it has the voice option. Ping, you can ping some domain, you can trace root domain, you can port scan any IP address, and you can then DNS lookup on a domain or an IP address. You can you have the IP calculator, you have the IP host converter, and you also have the option of secret codes, which tells you about the secrets codes on different Android devices, such as on Samsung you can see your IMEI number by dialing this. You can get the SIM info, test mode, help menu, Java menu. There are many other options. You can see here many other codes for Sony, Oppo, HTC, LG, and for other Android devices you also have the secret code for that. HACKODE also have a terminal. You can see here you also have a terminal. You can also click on run as root and you can run terminal such as TERMUX in it. So you can run as root, and you can run shell commands, you can run exploits, many other things you want by using this terminal. So this was the last one of this video. Part 2 is coming soon, and there are many other apps which you can use to turn your Android into a hacking device. These are some main apps, and other apps will be included